guys, today I'm going to show you how to create a Kahoot and make one if you would like. So you go to the search bar and you type in Kahoot, and it'll bring this up like this, and you want to do create a Kahoot. So it didn't come up the way I wanted it to, so I'm going to put at the front create Kahoot, and then right here it says create Kahoot. You're going to click on that. And if my computer wasn't so slow, it would go a little faster. So if you don't have an account, you can come up here to get my free account. I do have an account, so I'm just going to log in. And you're going to sign in. And it's going to take you to your account. See, Miss Jordan. There's my username. And then I'm going to look at my Kahoots, and I'm going to show you one that I've done. This is an awesome and great tool for your classroom, especially for elementary, like third grade and up, because it gives you like a competitive side. It sees how fast people can answer questions and how many points they get, and it kind of gives you where you're standing compared to the rest of the class. So students really seem to enjoy this because it lets them, like, it shows them the competitive side of school, and it gives them something fun to do. So they really enjoy this, and I highly, highly recommend using this for your classroom, just to spice things up a little bit. So I had created a Bible trivia questionnaire a few months ago, so I'm going to show you that. Mine was about David and Goliath. So I just typed in a few questions, like what Bible story involves a giant, how tall was Goliath, what color was Goliath's helmet, and then I picked 10 seconds, and each one had 4 choices. I'm going to edit this so that I can show you what it looks like when you're actually creating the Kahoot. So here is, you start off with a name and you give a description. So I just put a quick quiz on how well you know a Bible story. And then I typed in this question. And if I come over here, I can edit this question so I can show you. So right here is where you type in the question. Then you can pick the time limit, and you go all the way from 5 seconds to 120. I'm just going to do 10. Award points. So I told you about how it's challenging, and it lets it's competitive, and it lets kids see that competitive side. But for example, you might not want the points to be there because you don't want to make somebody feel bad. You can just turn those points right on off, and no points will be awarded. But I'm going to keep that on. And then you come down here and you can type in your answers. So like I put the answers and I kind of changed it up a little bit. And then if you wanted to, you could credit the source. You can add an image also that fits well with the thing, or you can add a video. So like this is perfect for like a name that tune kind of quiz, or what movie is this from, or all those fun things. Or you can do what image is in the picture. It's super awesome, and awesome for teachers, awesome for students. And then I can add a question. And you see the same thing comes up, and I do it all again. And then you just hit the check mark for the right source or the right question, and it'll pop up at the end. But yeah, it's really simple to use, not that hard, great for basically all ages. I would highly recommend using it. And even over here, say there's a super important question that you want to ask twice, you click on this little blue dot and it'll duplicate the question. So I'm going to save that, and now it's going to save it, and I'm going to be able to share it to anybody that I need to see it. And then I'm going to go back here and see if I hit play it, it's going to pop up. And it's going to load my game. So I can do classic mode or team mode, which is classic, the one-on-one device where each student has their own, and the team is where they share a device. I'm just going to go classic because that's the way I know. And then you will ready to join. So then they get this game pin and they'll go to Kahoot.com and type in this game pin and they'll be able to give a name and you'll see the names pop up here and it'll tell you how many players you have in your class. So right now it's waiting, but it's super fun and super awesome and I highly recommend doing this with your class. Thank you for listening and watching. I hope you learned a little bit. All right, have a great day.